Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial. Today we will see how can we send notification to desktop. So let's start. So for this you need to install a library, that is WinToast. So go to your terminal and type pip install win10 toast. So just click enter and it will get installed. In my case it's already installed, so no need for me. So let's move forward and see the code. So we will type from win10 toast import toast notifier, and we will initialize it using toaster equals to toast notifier. Okay, so we will show notification using toaster dot show toast. Okay, so let's first see how will this function work. So let's click here, and here as you can see this is title which we want to show to the desktop, and this is the message, this is the icon path, and then we need to type duration and then the thread. Okay, so here these have explained everything, like title is the notification title, message is the notification message which we want to display, and icon path is the path to the .ico file to custom notification that is we are sending. Okay, and duration is the delay in seconds before notification self destruction. So let's go to the code, and what is the thread we will also see. So here we will type the title, that is the notification, and then we will type message, and we will type this is a notification to the desktop. So now we will type thread equals true, and we'll type icon path equals none, and then there is one more thing, I think here is the duration. Okay, so we'll also type duration equals, let's say to be 3. So what is thread here, that is this thread. Let's see, that's the when we will enable the thread, that is the when thread is true, the rest of our program will be allowed to execute while the toast is still active. Okay, let's say if I make this to false, then our program will wait until the toast has completed before continuing. Okay, so this is what the thread mean here. So let's move forward and import time module. Okay, now let's type while toaster dot notification active. Okay, that is until the toaster notification is active, we will stop the time, that is we will stop our program using time dot sleep, and we'll give 0.1 here. So friends, let me run the program, and yes, here as you can see this is our notification. So let's start again run the program, and this is a notification to the desktop, that is the desktop. Let's again run the program, and this is a notification to the desktop. So thanks for watching, and the Link for the source code will be available to you in the description. So thank you again.